All right, you guys, so let's say that you get into your car, you turn your blinker on, and it's going haywire. All right, going real fast. Your other blinker going normal. And that's because you have a bulb blown. Now, in my last video, I thought I bought blinker bulbs and they wasn't blinker bulbs. I'm going to go ahead and replace it. All right, you guys, so I have these Sylvania bulbs. This is basically your standard bulbs. I already broke the carton open, so it kind of ruins the fun on the unboxing, right? Anyways, I got these 3, 4, 5, 7, and it tells you the other fit you can use that's on the bottom. When you get these, for my truck is a 2007 Ford Expedition, and they saying this one is for the rear, which is clear, and these ones are for the front. I'm not changing all of my bulbs. I know people say if you change one, you might as well change all. Well, I just feel like changing one for right now. So this is basically the standard. This is the brake light bulb that I thought was the blinker bulb when I bought. So yeah, kind of upset on that one. But anyways, I went to Walmart and got the cheapest ones that you can get. And basically is plug and play. And that's it. You take the old one out, it just pulls right on out. Nothing special. I just put it right there to get it out of my way. And push the other one back in. And that's it. And then all you do is turn your blinker on just to see if everything blinks normally. We come back in the car or truck, turn it on, test the blinker. And there you go. It's blinking normal now. See it blinking right there in the front. And most importantly, it's blinking in the back. For you not to get a ticket, I advise you just to go ahead and have these handy in your glove compartment or in your trunk somewhere, and just get some extra blinkers and brake lights. So you should just have this type of stuff in your car already, or in your garage. Just have extra, because you never know. You put your blinker on and you don't know if one is blown or not. Well, you'll know if it's blinking fast, but you may just put your blinker on, you turn, and you get pulled over for a blinker light. I don't know who gets pulled over for a blinker light, but I'm pretty sure some people out there do get pulled over for not putting on their blinkers. So, with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe.